out now. Watch out now. Howdy, hey guys, welcome back. So we got another video. Today we're working back on this old 2000 Honda Accord, the 5-speed manual transmission. Today I'm gonna be replacing valve cover gaskets for the Honda 3 liter engine. We're gonna be replacing these valve cover gaskets. So the first thing, I'm not doing a long intro or anything today like I normally do. Before we get started, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, and share the video, and subscribe. That's the main thing, subscribe. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and pop out all your spark plug wires. Get those out your way. There's vacuum holes here. Let's remove that. This PCV valve, pull that out, remove that. All these bolts are 10 millimeter, so we'll grab a wrench, a racket. I'm gonna use my electric wrench to make it faster. Break them all. That should come up. That's your valve cover gasket. What you want to do is all that silicone and gasket maker crap, you want to make sure you clean all of that off, because that's probably what was causing our leaks. And as you can see on the back side, we definitely had oil leaks back here. So that's probably was an issue of some of our oil leaks as well. So we'll go ahead and get all of that cleaned up and put you on a time lapse of getting that cleaned up, as well as cleaning up the bottom of this cover and getting the gasket on. So just stay tuned for the time lapse. All right guys, so now that we got the surface clean on the head, what you want to do next is you want to take all these bolts out and all these seals. If your gasket kit came with all the seals and everything that you need, you'll just get a kit, and you can replace all these seals that's on these bolts, because these will leak too. So all you want to do, if they dry rot and crack enough, it's easy just to pull them off. So what you do is the bolt part is here, the screw part is here. You go to the screw part, pull these out, and we don't need these little seals no more because we got new ones. And for the new ones, sometimes you can use a socket and hammer it on, and that'll easily get them on. See if I can show you real quick. See if I can find a socket. All right, so get you a socket. Get you a socket. Put the end on it like that. Take your hammer. and you got your new seal on your boat. So that's all you need to do. We'll do the rest of them just like that, and I'll be right back. I'll be right back once I get the rest. Well, I'll put it on the fast record. Alright guys, so on that time lapse you saw we went on and cleaned the surface on the head. We went on and clean and remove all the old rubber gaskets and seals and everything on the actual cover itself. Now that we have that, as well as put the new seals on the boats, now that we have that, all that's left to do is to replace the install the cover back on and tighten it back down. And when you tighten these boats don't have to be super tight. These boats just need to be tight enough to hold it in place. They need to be snug, but they don't need to be like super tight. So we'll go ahead and set this cover back down. Holes. All right, we can set the bolts back in. The long bolts go in the back, the short ones go in the front. And you have to feel for these bolts to line. All right, now we can tighten them back up. And I'll just go ahead and, all right, just check them by hand to make sure that they're snug and tight. All right. So next thing we want to do is go ahead and put this vacuum line back on, which is here. Put this right in here. If it comes out of your intake boot, just slide it back in. Grab you a pair of pliers, put the clamp back down on top of it. Right. Then you want to grab your PCV valve, slide it back in. All right. Then next you want to go ahead and install your spark plug wire. And just look at the length of them. With the length of them, they'll fall right in place. You just want to push them down till you hear a little pop. guys. Then these little keepers, just want to put the wires back in these little keepers. Let's push it back down. All right, guys, that's basically how you install a valve cover gasket. I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for tuning in. I thank you guys for supporting. Make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Check out the link in the description for my GoFundMe if you want to support it. If you just want to look at it and read the description, that's fine. If you want to go to it and share it to somebody else that you know, that's fine too. I appreciate everything. So make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share the videos. Thank you again, and guess what? Peace.